Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 18. 1. You are now like a withered leaf. Even messengers of death have come near you. You stand at the threshold of departure, at the gate of death, and you have made no provision for your journey. 2. Make for yourself an island, refuge, strive quickly, be wise. When your impurities are purged and you are free from sin, you will reach heaven, the land of the elect. 3. Your life has come near to an end. You are arrived in the presence of Yama, the king of death. There is no resting place for you on the way, and you have made no provision for your journey. 4. Make for yourself an island. Strive quickly, be wise. When your impurities are purged and you are free from sin, you will not again enter into birth and old age. 5. As a smith removes the impurities of silver, even so let a wise man remove the impurities of himself one by one, little by little, and from time to time. 6. Impurity arising from iron eats into it though born from itself. Likewise the evil deeds of the transgressor lead him to the evil state. 7. Non-recitation is the impurity of the seeker. Non-exertion is the impurity of house. Indolence is the impurity of personal appearance, and thoughtlessness is the impurity of the watchful. 8. Bad conduct is the impurity of a woman. Niggardliness is the impurity of the giver. Evil deeds are impurities in this world and in the next. 9. But there is an impurity greater than all impurities. Ignorance is the greatest impurity. O mendicants, having cast away that impurity, be free from all impurities. 10. Life is easy to live for one who is shameless, who is of the boldness of a crow hero, for the mischief maker, for the slanderer, for the impudent, and for the impure. 11. But life is hard to live for one who has a sense of modesty, who always seeks for what is pure, who is disinterested, not impudent, who lives in purity, the man of insight. 12. He who destroys life, who speaks untruth, who in this world takes what is not given to him, who goes to another man's wife, and he who gives himself to drinking intoxicating liquors, he, even in this world, digs up his own root. Know this, O man, that evil things befall the unrestrained. Let not greed and wrongdoing bring you to grief for a long time. 13. Men give alms according to their faith or according to their friendliness. Therefore, he who frets about the drink and food given to others does not, either by day or by night, enjoy peace of mind. 14. He in whom this spirit of envy is destroyed, removed, by the very root, he, indeed, by day and by night, enjoys peace of mind. 15. There is no fire like passion, no capture like hatred, there is no net, snare, like delusion, no torrent like craving. 16. The fault of others is easily seen, our own is difficult to see. A man winnows others' faults like chaff, but his own faults he hides even as a cheat hides an unlucky throw. 17. To him who is observant of the faults of others, who is ever censorious, his own passions increase and he is far from the destruction of passions. 18. There is no path in the sky, there is no recluse adopting the Buddhist path. Outside of us, mankind delights in worldliness. The Buddhas are free from worldliness. 19. There is no path in the sky. There is no recluse outside of us. Nothing in the phenomenal world is eternal. There is no instability to the awakened.